All right, going outside to clear off our Starlink. Show them the ground here. I gotta shovel my way out there because it's deep. Look at that. I'll come back to the brush in a second. Crazy. Look at this. For those of you that don't know where I am, I'm going out on the pool deck. Zach asked me if I wanted to go for a swim today. Armageddon, or Snowmageddon here. I can't believe how deep this is. Look at it. This is crazy. Whew. Okay, I'll get there eventually. I just wanted to show you how deep it was out here on the deck. See you next time.